Thank you, Father. Good evening to each and everyone present here. I, Samrat Singh,
And I, Tanvi Godde, are privileged to be studying in a school that has all facilities and makes sincere effort to bring about our all-round development.
our school has 63 spacious and well-ventilated classrooms, 2 separate libraries for senior and junior classes, 3 computer labs, separate labs for physics, chemistry, and biology. There are rooms for activities such as dance, music, and karate. Every classroom is equipped with interactive boards and projectors. There are 2 assembly grounds and separate morning assembly is held for both senior and junior classes. Solar panels have been installed which generate nearly half of the electricity required by the institution. The school building has separate washrooms for both boys and girls in all floors. There are water coolers fitted with purifiers that provide purified and cool water throughout the day.
Our school offers students the chance to choose from various streams and pursue their career. In the 11th and 12th grades, students can select between commerce and science streams, which include options for mathematics and biology specialization. The result of the board examination 2023 indicate the academic excellence of the school. In class 10th and 12th, 6 students each scored above 90% marks. School pays great attention to the academic assessment to ascertain that all students achieve the expected subject knowledge and competencies.
To maintain the sanctity of the assessment procedure, an exam control room has been set up with dedicated personnel and necessary infrastructure. All assessment is done according to the norms of the CBSC. Regular parent-teacher meetings are conducted on every second Saturday of the month. Exam sheets are also shown to the parents in the PTMs. This also provides an opportunity for the parents and the teachers to interact and to discuss the progress of the student.
The school additionally organizes seminars for students featuring presentation by the police on traffic rules, doctors on health issues and hygiene, judges and advocates on legal matters. Class 11th and 12th students were also provided expert advice on educational and career opportunities. Seminars, workshops, and training sessions are also arranged for teachers to familiarize them with the latest trends in education.
Orange Olympiad exam was conducted in 5 different subjects and more than 500 students participated in it. The school campus is fully under CCTV surveillance and Mr. Vikas, a qualified technician, monitors and maintains it. Students always wear their identity cards, which has all important information about the student. Students are also provided a school diary, which has detailed information about the activities of the school throughout the academic session.
bus facility is available for both teachers and students. There are around 400 students and 22 teachers availing bus facility. The school record keeping is entirely computerized, and the school management software ensures efficient and accurate handling of data and documentation.
Our school believes in the overall development of the students and creates the required ambience. To foster democratic and leadership qualities in students, the school has an elected cabinet of students. This cabinet plays an active and effective role in day-to-day functioning of the school.
Our school aim is to bring out the best in every student in every aspect. To facilitate that, regular co-curricular activities are conducted. Students are grouped into 4 houses, and that helps a healthy competition among students.
Basketball, kho-kho, singing, essay writing, drawing, poster making, rakhi making, and rangoli competitions were also held this year. School maintains a cordial relationship with its alumni. The school played friendly football and volleyball matches with the ex-students. Our students participated in block, district, divisional, and state level competitions in basketball, football, volleyball, and athletics. Rupak Malviya competed at the national level in handball competition. Shiva Gupta participated in taekwondo at the national level competition. And Jalit Chaturvedi holds the status of national level NCC cadet.
National festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day are celebrated in the school with patriotic fervor. Ethos, the school magazine, was published in the year 2023, giving us an opportunity for self-expression. Educational tour is organized every year, and in December 2022, more than 100 students and a few teachers under the guidance of Father Gerald visited Manali and Amritsar, and next week a group is going to visit Uttarakhand.
The teachers of the school are grouped into various committees to lead, to give direction, and to groom students in their unique skills. There is a women's cell comprising of lady teacher that address any issue of a girl student. The service of a trained nurse and a counselor are also available to the students.
Based on our past experiences, we are confident in the high quality education and exceptional facilities provided by our school. We are grateful for the guidance of dedicated teachers and the opportunities for holistic development through various activities.
Looking ahead, we are optimistic about continuing to thrive in this enriching educational environment. The school's commitment to excellence, coupled with its forward-thinking initiatives, instills a confidence in the ongoing and future educational experiences. We eagerly anticipate further growth and success as we continue our educational journey at this esteemed institution. Thank you.
All these fill us with an immense sense of fulfillment. At the same time, we are aware of the challenges ahead of us in this fast-changing milieu. With the bountiful blessings of the Almighty, able guidance of the management, dedication of our experienced and competent staff, support of the parents and well-wishers, and of course, hard work and motivation of our students, St. Joseph Senior Secondary School will march ahead. Thank you.